The next couple of months are going to be full of some amazing automotive events. The first one is Cars on 5th down in Naples, and I'm going to be road tripping down in the Cannonball CL55 along with Arnie and Doug in the S6 and the E63. We'll have the cars on display, and I'll be there for a live stream with DuPont Registry and a whole lot more fun. Next will be the Miami Concours a couple of weeks later. An awesome event, some amazing cars out there. I don't know yet what I'm going to drive for that, but after that is Moda Miami, one of my favorite events of the entire year. And that's what we actually need to focus on today because they want me to bring the Victoria's Secret Diablo SV. So after we wrap up here, we're going to drive over to Cameron's shop because it had quite the punch list of items to knock out. But after that is the Amelia Island Concours. Not long after that is the Heritage Invitational in Charlotte, where the Victoria's Secret Diablo will be as well. And then the Atlanta Concours. So I'll make some kind of graphic with all the dates of all these events, but it's going to be an amazing spring, an awesome summer, leading up to some really cool stuff in the fall as well. But let's get in this thing and go check out the Diablo. Last summer, Cameron and the team here at DC Motor Works spent about 3 months putting this car, my 1998 Lamborghini Diablo SV, the Victoria's Secret Lamborghini, back together after it had sat for 14 years in an airplane hangar in central Illinois until Tim Fabrizio, the barn find king, found it and we were able to get the car bought. So it showed up here in pieces, but they got the car back together just in time for Monterey Car Week. And so that was really the first test of this car, and it did pretty well, but it came back with, let's say, a laundry list of issues. And this week, as we start to prepare for Moda Miami, Cameron and the guys are going through it to get it perfectly buttoned up for a road trip to Coral Gables and back. And if you'd like to join us at Moda Miami, they're currently offering our VINwiki viewers the best deal available on tickets between now and the event, 25% off for all ticket sales if you use the code VINwiki. They're also going to pick one person that buys their ticket using that code to get the ultimate access pass, the full Moda VIP experience. You'll get access to all the VIP events, all the dinners, all the shows, all the auctions, everything that we love about the greatest automotive event of the year. So you'll see this car there, Lord willing, and hopefully all the other amazing cars at the show field in Miami. And of course, my plan is to drive it there and back. I'm not for this car shipping stuff, and I'm not going to get the car stolen this week doing that. But let's talk through all the things that Cameron and the guys have been doing, which started with quieting down my water pump. The whole time it's had a squeal, which we had assumed was internal, but upon further inspection, we learned that it was this, a flexible coupling that goes next to the water pump that had worn, clearance wasn't there, and now it was making quite the noise. So rather than having to rebuild the water pump, we were able to just replace this thing, which from a Lamborghini parts catalog would have been $400. But if you don't mind the Volkswagen logo with the Audi logo next to it, it's 15 bucks. And so that is installed and it is quiet, which was quiet enough to reveal that we had a little bit of a noise out of the belt on the alternator. And so there's a new pulley on the way for the alternator. You can't just buy an alternator for an economical amount of money anymore for these cars. So 2 alternators shall become 1 and the noise will go away. We'll change the oil since it's been about a year, and I put about, 1,000 miles on the car or so, and it has honestly been amazing. Now, that's not to say it's without issues, because beyond these things, we also had to fix the door latches. On the passenger side, the exterior latch has not been working, and on the driver's side, the interior latch has not been working. That's a very common thing. That's why we ended up with the F40 loops on the orange Diablo SV before it was replaced with this lovely car. But we've got the interior one sorted with some lovely 3D printed parts from our friends, and those will be in very soon. Also, we were having a very slow movement of my window, which I was told by someone else at the Concorso Italiano event last year is actually because my switches were worn. So we got brand new switches going in. We'll be able to have a proper race side to side against my windows, and that will make it much, much better. We are going to rebalance my front wheel. I actually found a replacement of the Kinesis wheels, but I'm going to have those re-chromed, and so it's going to be rebalanced to be a little bit better until we can get the other one all the way. You'll notice my bumper is once again off because we did get a little bit of a crack in it, bottoming out in the streets of Carmel during Car Week. That's going to be painted in, hopefully with a slightly better match. If you see the pictures of the car all together, it was a little bit too white. This was a little bit more cream. And under that, we've got a brand new steering rack. There was a little bit of play on the passenger side tie rod end, and fortunately there was a new one available, and it is installed, and a big improvement. As Cameron was putting that in, this started to spray fluid on him. That is the washer fluid pump, and so a new one of those is on its way from Italy and did not break the bank. Other than that, a nice wash, pack it for the trip, and we will be headed for Miami. I hope to see you there. So it looks like Cameron and the guys are going to get the Diablo buttoned up in time for my road trip south to Moda. So get your tickets now. Use the code VINwiki for 25% off. They're not going to get any cheaper than that. And one of you who uses that code is going to win the ultimate VIP Moda experience. So I cannot wait to see you there with the Victoria's Secret Diablo. And since it was such a pretty day, we decided to take everything else for a drive. So for no better reason, here is a montage of the cars. This month of VINwiki content is brought to you by Premier Financial Services, and they are the perfect partner in your journey to own your dream car because their Simple Lease is the most powerful tool in the world of exotic car financing. You'll get all the benefits of a leasing structure like lower payments and better tax treatment, along with everything we love about a normal exotic car loan where you can trade in and out at any time, always know where you stand thanks to their amortization table, and accumulate equity for whenever you're finished and ready for the next car. And Premier is great because they're wholly owned and backed by First Financial Bank, which means they have more buying power than any other exotic car bank or collector car bank in the United States, and their customer service is unmatched. Also, rates are lower than they have been in a very, very long time, so it's never been a better time to reach out to Premier, talk to their representatives, learn what you can pre-qualify for, and let them help you own the car of your dreams with Premier Financial Services.